Once upon a time, the Sodom apple was a weak and unattractive plant. The only thing that kept it striving was its curiosity about why other plants, cared for by humans, seemed to thrive. It desired for the same care, water, manure, and peace of mind. Far from the struggles of competing with other plants for resources, at that time, plants had multiplied beyond control, dominating the earth. The strongest species, particularly the tall ones, exploited and crushed the weak ones, pushing them to the brink of extinction. Then humans emerged, bringing hope to weaker species like the Sodom apple. Humans offered their protection, but set a condition. To earn our care, you must bear flowers. Eagerly, the Sodom apple adapted and produced flowers as instructed. However, when humans saw its blooms, they found them too plain and unattractive. They demanded its immediate removal. "But I did exactly as you asked," pleaded the Sodom apple. The humans replied, "Other plants' flowers are far more beautiful than yours. Perhaps next time, try bearing fruit." Determined not to fail, the Sodom apple bore fruits. This time, humans wanted to taste the fruit, believing the sweetest fruits must be the most beautiful. They instructed the plants to produce beautiful fruits. Driven by their demands, the Sodom apple created a perfect, round, yellow fruit that glowed with allure. When humans saw it, their mouths watered. "Look at that stunning fruit. It must be the sweetest," they exclaimed. But when they tasted it, they spat it out in disgust. "This fruit is a joke. Uproot this horrible plant and never let it grow near our homes again." The Sodom apple begged for mercy, but humans dismissed it coldly. "We will only allow you to stay if you produce sweet fruit," they said. The Sodom apple, however, had done nothing wrong. It had followed their instructions to the latter, producing flowers, fruits, and even crafting one of the most beautiful fruits imaginable. Yet humans rejected it. Exhausted and betrayed, it decided it would no longer obey their unreasonable demands. Heartbroken, the Sodom apple was cast aside. It harbored a thirst for revenge. "Humans will pay for what they've done to me," it declared. The plant grew thorns and vowed to invade human lands, stealing nutrients meant for other plants. It also ensured that anyone who tried to uproot it would feel the sharp sting of its thorns. Over time, the Sodom apple observed humans closely. It noticed that even the plants humans cared for paid a heavy price. Flowering plants were pruned mercilessly, vegetables had their leaves plucked, fruit trees had to yield their fruits, and large trees were exploited for shelter or other uses. The Sodom apple came to a realization. These trees may be cared for, but they suffer for it. Nothing in this world comes for free. I may be deemed useless, but at least I don't bear the burden of their kind.